You want to see something cool? My tree's about to fall in my pool.
Maybe I'll leave it.
My tree is about to fall through.
It's falling right now.
Here it goes. You want to back up, Jess? I think you're good.
It's definitely not coming this far.
No, it's like I'm fucked. Hear it?
Oh, there's squirrels are leaving.
Yeah, everybody out. Hey, call my insurance company.
This is gonna take forever.
I'll take a chance you don't need to take.
The other branches are
Dude.
holding it up.
Oh crap, it's coming.
That is incredible.
It's that the branches on top are breaking.
This is gonna suck.
This is good.
Jay, you couldn't have put it any better way. Oh god, it's
Oh, come on, slow. Good, good, good. Holy crap.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Holy cow!
You guys.
Yeah, that's what happens every day.